The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines and regulations for electrical installations in various types of buildings. When considering the use of Romex, which is a type of non-metallic sheath cable, in a hotel, it's crucial to understand the NEC restrictions that apply to commercial buildings. According to the NEC, Romex is generally not permitted to be used in commercial buildings such as hotels. This restriction stems from safety considerations and the different requirements for wiring in commercial versus residential structures. Firstly, the NEC defines commercial buildings differently from residential buildings, and the wiring methods permitted in each type of building can vary significantly. Hotels are typically classified as commercial buildings due to their occupancy type, size, and use. Secondly, Romex is primarily designed for residential applications where the fire resistance and durability requirements are less stringent than in commercial settings. In commercial buildings like hotels, there is a greater risk of fire due to the higher occupancy, increased electrical load, and potential for equipment malfunctions. Thirdly, the NEC specifies alternative wiring methods for commercial buildings that offer enhanced fire resistance, durability, and overall safety. These wiring methods are better suited to withstand the demands and risks associated with commercial electrical systems. Instead of Romex, the NEC recommends using wiring methods such as electrical metallic tubing, or IMT, rigid metal conduit, or RMC, intermediate metal conduit, or IMC, or cable types specifically listed for commercial use. EMT is a thin-walled steel conduit that provides excellent protection for conductors and is easy to install. RMC is a heavier gauge steel conduit that offers superior mechanical protection and is suitable for applications where the wiring is exposed to physical damage. IMC is a lighter weight version of RMC that provides a good balance of protection and cost effectiveness. Cable types such as metal-clad cable or NC cable and armored cable or AC cable are also commonly used in commercial buildings. These cables have a metallic outer sheath that provides mechanical protection and can serve as an equipment grounding conductor. When selecting a wiring method for a hotel, it is essential to consider factors such as the building's construction type, occupancy classification, fire resistance requirements, and local building codes. The NEC provides detailed guidelines on the permitted wiring methods for different types of commercial buildings, and it is crucial to comply with these regulations to ensure the safety of occupants and the proper functioning of the electrical system. In addition to the NEC requirements, local building codes may have additional restrictions or requirements for wiring in hotels. It is important to consult with the local authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, to determine the specific requirements that apply to the project. The AHA is responsible for enforcing the NEC and local building codes and can provide guidance on the acceptable wiring methods and installation practices. Furthermore, it is recommended to hire a qualified and licensed electrical contractor to perform the electrical work in a hotel. A licensed electrician has the knowledge, skills, and experience to properly install the wiring system in accordance with the NEC and local codes. They can also ensure that the wiring system is properly grounded, protected against overcurrents, and meets all other safety requirements. Proper grounding is essential for protecting against electrical shock hazards and preventing equipment damage. The NEC specifies the grounding requirements for different types of electrical systems and equipment, and it is crucial to comply with these requirements to ensure the safety of occupants. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect the wiring system from overloads and short circuits. The NEC specifies the size and type of overcurrent protection devices required for different circuits, and it is important to use the correct devices to prevent fires and electrical hazards. The NEC also addresses other important aspects of electrical installations in commercial buildings, such as lighting, power distribution, emergency systems, and fire alarm systems. It is crucial to comply with all applicable NEC requirements to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. In summary, Romex is generally not permitted to be used in commercial buildings such as hotels due to the NEC restrictions and the different requirements for wiring in commercial versus residential structures. Alternative wiring methods such as ENT, RMC, INC, MC cable, and AC cable are recommended for commercial buildings to provide enhanced fire resistance, durability, and overall safety. It is important to consult with the local AHA and hire a qualified electrical contractor to ensure that the wiring system is installed in accordance with the NEC and local building codes. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards that addresses various aspects of electrical installations, including wiring methods, grounding, overcurrent protection, lighting, power distribution, emergency systems, and fire alarm systems. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. The NEC is developed by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, a non-profit organization that develops and publishes codes and standards related to fire safety and electrical safety. The NEC is widely adopted by state and local governments in the United States and is also used in many other countries around the world. The NEC is not a law itself, but it becomes legally enforceable when it is adopted by a government agency or incorporated into a building code. The NEC is intended to provide minimum safety standards for electrical installations, and it is important to exceed these standards whenever possible to enhance safety and reliability. In addition to the NEC, there are other standards and guidelines that may be relevant to electrical installations in hotels, such as those published by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE, and the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. These standards cover a wide range of topics, including power quality, surge protection, and electromagnetic compatibility. It is important to stay up to date on the latest developments in electrical codes and standards to ensure that electrical installations are safe, reliable, and compliant with all applicable regulations. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for electrical engineers, contractors, and inspectors to maintain their knowledge and skills and to provide the best possible service to their clients and the public. By understanding the NEC restrictions on Romex and the alternative wiring methods available for commercial buildings, you can make informed decisions about the electrical system design and installation in a hotel and ensure the safety of occupants and the proper functioning of the building's electrical infrastructure. Remember to always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to all applicable codes and standards to achieve a safe and compliant electrical installation. Electrical safety is a critical aspect of building design and construction, and it is essential to prioritize safety in all electrical work. Proper planning, design, installation, and maintenance are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems and preventing electrical hazards. By following the NEC and other relevant standards, you can help to create a safe and comfortable environment for hotel guests and employees. Furthermore, regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems are crucial for identifying and addressing potential problems before they lead to accidents or equipment failures. A proactive approach to electrical safety can help to prevent costly repairs, downtime, and, most importantly, injuries or fatalities. It is also important to educate hotel staff and guests about electrical safety and to provide them with clear instructions on how to use electrical equipment safely. This can help to reduce the risk of electrical accidents and ensure that everyone is aware of the potential hazards associated with electricity. In conclusion, the use of Romex in hotels is generally prohibited by the NEC due to safety concerns and the specific requirements for commercial buildings. Alternative wiring methods, such as ENT, RMC, IMC, MC cable, and AC cable, are recommended for commercial applications to provide enhanced fire resistance, durability, and overall safety. It is essential to consult with the local AHA and hire a qualified electrical contractor to ensure that the wiring system is installed in accordance with the NEC and local building codes. By prioritizing electrical safety and adhering to all applicable regulations, you can help to create a safe and reliable electrical system for a hotel and protect the well-being of its occupants. Staying informed about the latest updates to the NEC and other relevant standards is crucial for maintaining a safe and compliant electrical installation. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for electrical professionals to stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices in the industry. By investing in education and training, you can ensure that you have the knowledge and skills necessary to provide the highest level of electrical safety and service. Remember that electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and everyone has a role to play in preventing electrical accidents. By working together and following the guidelines and regulations set forth by the NEC and other relevant standards, we can create a safer environment for everyone. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to all applicable codes and standards when working with electrical systems.